My dear children, this is the last module for today's session. In this module, we are going to discuss a script or a small sample program. As I told before, you need to go for Start button, click on All Programs, find Python 3.7 version, click on the IDLE. So you will get the first screen like this. Then click on the File menu. Then click on the New. Then you just type the entered program code. A equal to in the input of enter a number. B equal to in the input of enter another number. C equal to A plus B. Print the sum of given number as C. Then sample program for addition. So what is the input here? What are the input for addition? The value which is held by A and B. And who gives the value of A and B? Does it have any constant values? No. A and B doesn't assign with any constants. Actually, we are reading the values from the user. Or not by us, by the interpreter. The values are given by the user to the interpreter. So, the value of A and B will be entered by user, that is the executor of that particular program. It depends upon the user's desire. The user can give A value as 10, 15, 11, 1000, 2000, whatever the value he desire, that value he can assign for A. So that is why we had entered like in the input of enter a number. Similarly for B, enter another number. So what will be the input for addition? It is nothing but A and B. Similarly, what are the processing in addition? The step 1, read inputs. That is getting the values for A and B from the user. What is actually happening here? We are getting the values from A and B. That means reading the input from the user by the interpreter. From the user or the executor or the program by the interpreter. Who is reading the input? Reading the input is done by the interpreter. Then what is the next step? Process addition. What is that? C is equal to A plus B. That is the process. The processing happens using inputs. Then what is the third step? Write the output. By whom it is given? That is from the interpreter to the user. Just reverse of the first step. From the interpreter to the user. The output is written by the interpreter to the user. That display the sum of numbers into the monitor for user's reference. So what is the output of the addition? First, the compiler will ask you to enter a number. So the user will add 10. Then the compiler asking you to enter another number, so the user will give 20. After clicking enter, you will get the answer as the sum of given number is 30. So here 10 and 20 is given by the executor of that program. So my dear children, this output you will see in the interactive mode only. Whatever the program you had given in the script mode, it is given in the new file. You have to save this file with the .py extension. After saving, go for the run. Then run module. Then you will get the output in the interactive mode as like this. My dear children, I think you are all clear about how to do a sample program in script mode. Please try it out. And if you are having any doubt, please clarify with me while you are in online session. One more thing, you need to read the text for the portions which I had taught you. Thank you.